Hello everyone, make a cute animal or a cartoon character you can say. Keep your hand like this, draw the eyes, make a nose, color it and it's ready. Next we will make a caterpillar. For that we will take a hand and make its outlines. Draw its eyes like this, draw the patterns on its body, color it using different colors and it's ready. Next we will make a duck face. For that we will draw the lines like this, draw its ears, eyes and it's ready. Next, we will make a peacock. For that, we will draw the lines like this. Draw its eyes, horn and its beak. Color it as per your choice. Draw its feathers, legs and it's ready. Next, we will draw a dog. Draw the outlines like this. Draw its ears, eyes, nose and its tongue. Draw its teeth, color it and it's ready. Next, we will draw a cactus tree. Draw the hand lines like this. Now make it spot, color it using green color and your cactus plant will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will make some more animals. So here we are making a dinosaur face. Draw its teeth, humps on its back, eyes and it's ready. Next, we will make a crocodile face. For that, we will draw the lines like this. Draw its eyes, draw its nose. Now we will make its teeth and then color it and your crocodile is ready. Next, we will make a dolphin. Draw a shape like this using the hands. Now draw its body, fins and tail. Make up water droplets on its top. Draw the waters, color it using blue color and it's ready. Now next we'll make a cute animal. I hope you liked our video and thanks for watching.